Good morning, my dear students. I welcome you all into this online class. Again, we are moving to the next topic of your day, and the topic we had discussed already. Those topics were types of reactions. In types of reactions, we had already discussed about combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, and double displacement reaction. So here the topic that will be discussed today is exothermic reaction, endothermic reaction, oxidation reaction, and reduction reaction. So firstly we will talk about exothermic reaction. What is exothermic reaction? Exo means simply we can say release, and thermic means temperature. So we can say that the reaction in which heat is released simply we can say that the reaction in which heat is released is called exothermic reaction. Clear? As example we can write when calcium oxide react with water, it forms calcium hydroxide. So what we get when lime water react with water, it forms calcium hydroxide, that is generally used for whitewashing in the house. So at that time the temperature of the water increases and water starts boiling. So what we get as a result, we are getting increase in temperature of that reaction. Okay. Here the next topic is endothermic. As I have already told you, thermic means temperature. Okay. Thermic means temperature, but endo means absorption. Endo means absorption. Means simply we can say that the reaction in which heat is taken in or absorbed during the reaction is called endothermic reaction. Now you will ask what type of example I should write. So here I write an example. When calcium carbonate is heated, means what we are doing? We are just giving heat to calcium carbonate. So it is taking heat, or we can say it is absorbing heat. Okay. So in this reaction we get calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. जब कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट को गर्म किया जाता है, हीट किया जाता है, तो ये कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के रूप में टूट जाता है. सो हियर एंडो मींस एब्जॉर्प्शन, सोखना, लेना, एब्जॉर्ब करना, एंड थर्मिक मींस टेम्परेचर. सिंपली वी कैन से वैसा रिएक्शन जिसमें टेम्परेचर को एब्जॉर्ब किया जाता है, टेम्परेचर को एब्जॉर्ब करने के बाद और फिर क्या किया जाता है, रिएक्शन कंप्लीट होता है. सो सिंपली वी कैन से द रिएक्शन इन व्हिच हीट इज टेकन इन or absorbed during the reaction is called endothermic reaction. Now the next topic is oxidation reaction. The name is only enough to understand. Oxy means oxygen. Okay. So simple idea to understand. Simple way to understand this topic. We can write that gaining of oxygen and removal of hydrogen, or in detailed form we can write like this: the reaction in which oxygen is gained or hydrogen is removed, or one more thing we can say, gaining of oxygen or metals and removal of hydrogen or non-metals. So this reaction is called oxidation reaction. As example we can write when carbon reacts with oxygen, it forms carbon dioxide. So what is happening here? What we are getting? We are getting adding of oxygen. Oxygen is getting added with carbon dioxide. Okay? Oxidation मतलब ऑक्सीजन का जुड़ना और हाइड्रोजन का हटना. Remove means हटना. Simply oxidation. And then here next topic is reduction. Reduction is just opposite of oxidation. So if here have written gaining of oxygen, यहां अगर हम लोगों ने gaining of oxygen लिखा है और मैंने आपसे कहा कि ऑक्सीडेशन रिडक्शन का उल्टा होता है, बिल्कुल टोटली. सो हियर वी कैन से what? Gaining of hydrogen. Hydrogen is getting gained here, and removal of oxygen, that is called reduction reaction. Got it? Okay. These are the topic for today. Next of the topic we will discuss in next class. Okay. Have a nice day. Thank you.